Hey, quick question. Are you healing from narcissistic abuse, rebuilding your life, or looking for real ways to make money online without the hype? On my YouTube channel, I talk openly about narcissistic abuse, recovery, healing, and taking your power back, based on real experience, not theory. I also share practical ideas, tools, and strategies for making money online, with a strong focus on using AI the smart way. I have deep expertise in AI, digital tools, content creation, and automation, and I break everything down in a way that's easy to follow. A big passion of mine is online training, and I regularly offer training on how to use AI in your business and make money with it, including real examples like turning personal life stories into AI-generated songs and music, content, and digital products. Whether you're recovering from emotional abuse, rebuilding financially, curious about AI, or ready to turn your story into purpose, this channel is for you. Click the link, check out the channel, watch a few videos, and if it resonates, subscribe and join the community. https://www.youtube. Come Greenhaven Solutions.